Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Birdman Review. So today we will review about Indian birds written by Selim Ali and Liak Futeli. Book photographs by Nikhil Devasar. This is my very old video while unboxing. Very old video. When I read in class 5, I have taken it from Amazon India. It's a very cool and hard covered book. It has a outer cover also. It's a very hard cover book. Very better and glossy page qualities. Very good page qualities. I have taken this book back on 2019-18. Very solid book cover. And here their photographs are real, not hand-drawn photos. At some times there is hand-drawn photo, but in the book there is a real photos, full of real photos. So I am very sorry for this type of editing. My elder brother has edited me like this. Sorry for that. Okay, bye guys, thank you.